Parameterizing a temperature transmitter can be tedious. Sometimes your thermometer can be difficult to access. You may also need additional tools such as a screwdriver, a modem and a laptop to get the job done. And of course, the specific device drivers. With our new generation of temperature transmitters, that's a thing of the past. Anderson Hauser proudly presents the world's first Bluetooth transmitters, iTemp TMT71, TMT72 and TMT142B. The TMT71 is a powerful one-channel transmitter with 4 to 20 mA signal. The major difference between TMT71 and TMT72 is optional communication via HART. The TMT142B combines that with a robust field housing and an optional overvoltage protection. My name is Karina, and in the following minutes I will show you the simple and intuitive operation of our transmitters using the Anderson Hauser Smart Blue app. The app is free and available for iOS, Android and Windows. If you're on a mobile, simply scan this QR code and try it yourself. You can also use our device care software on your laptop or one of our Field Expert tablets. Just select Bluetooth on the title screen of Device Care. Before we take a closer look at how to use the Smart Blue app, let's talk about the limitations we need to consider. The Bluetooth range from the TMT71 and TMT72 is between 5 and 10 meters, depending on the housing and the ambient conditions. The TMT142B has a Bluetooth range of up to 20 meters. With a TMT71 or 72, we can either operate a plug-on display or use Bluetooth communication. Since we want to demonstrate a wireless configuration, I will remove the display from the transmitter. The feed transmitter TMT142B offers both features at the same time: a backlit display for excellent readability and communication via Bluetooth. Back to our Smart Blue app. After opening the app, all Anderson Hauser Bluetooth-capable devices within range are shown. In this case, we see our temperature transmitters and one of our radar-level instruments, Micropilot FMR20. To establish a connection to the device, first enter the default username admin and then the Bluetooth password. The default password is the serial number of the device. For security reasons, we recommend you change the default password during first use. Speaking of security, did you know that our Anderson Hauser Bluetooth infrastructure has been validated by an independent third party? After successful connection, an overview displays all relevant device information at a glance. When connecting to the transmitter for the very first time, the user role maintenance is selected by default for commissioning. After that, you will be able to set the device password to differentiate between operator and maintenance mode, and to protect the device against unauthorized changes. The setup wizard guides you through the first parameterization with ease. You can set device information and name tags. Then you can configure the sensor input. You can define, for example, the 4 to 20 mA output. Let's try and change the 20 mA value to 100 degrees Celsius. And last but not least, you can define the password for entering maintenance mode. The diagnostics menu gives you access to special transmitter features like, for example, corrosion monitoring or diagnostic event simulation to test your loop infrastructure. This gives you great control over your device, even if it's already installed and in a remote location. You can also export a configuration report of your device data. Just click on the Guidance tab and Configuration Report to save a PDF document locally. It is so simple and intuitive. No device drivers, no additional configuration hardware, no problems concerning accessibility. I hope you liked this video. If you want to know more or want to get in touch with us, visit us at anders.com or leave a comment below. See you next time!